Holi is one of the most auspicious festivals in India. The festival of Holi begins with Holika Dahan. Holika Dahan is the story of good over evil. The day before Holi, people light a bonfire in their neighborhood. This ritual is called Holika Dahan. People celebrate the triumph of Bhakt Prahlad's faith in Lord over the evil intentions of his father Hiranyakashyap and his aunt Holika. King Hiranyakashyap wanted to kill his son Bhakt Prahlad as he disagrees to become king's devotee and consider him as the Lord. Hiranyakashyap asked his sister Holika to kill Prahlad. Holika had been granted a boon that had made her immune to fire, but she got burnt to death. Prahlad kept chanting the name of Lord Narayana, came out unharmed as the Lord blessed him for his extreme devotion. People perform religious rituals in front of the bonfire and pray that their internal evil be destroyed the way Holika was killed in the fire.